Hello friends, welcome to Code Sutra. In this video, we will be solving LeetCode problem number 1161, maximum level sum of a binary tree. So what is levels in a binary tree? So this will be level 1 and this will be level 2 and this will be level 3. For example, think of your grandparents as level 1, your parents will be level 2 and you will be level 3 and your children, whatever it is, will be level 4. So what do we have to do here? We have to find which level had the maximum sum. For example, here the level sum is 1, here it is equal to 7 and here it will be equal to just minus 1 and here it is equal to 13. So in this case, the level with the maximum sum is level 4, that is equal to 13. So 4 will be our answer. And remember, it starts from 1 and it doesn't start from 0. So how do we do level order traversal in a given binary tree? So we do this with the help of a queue. We have a queue data structure. What is a queue? A queue is a first in first out data structure. First we will add our grandparents, that is 1. And what do? We remove them and we will ask who are their children. Their children are 7 and 0. We will add both of them to the queue and again we will remove 7 from the queue and we will add its children, that is 6 and minus 8 to the queue. Then again we will remove the topmost element, that is 0, and add its children, that is 1 and 2. Again we will be removing 6. Does it have any children? No, right? So we won't be doing anything. Then again minus 8, no children, 1 and 2. If you look at the order here, we have 1, 7, 0, 6, minus 8, 1 and 2. If you look here, not only are we traversing from top to bottom, we are also traversing from left to right. Top to bottom and left to right. So this is the idea of level order traversal. But for this given problem, we need a little modification. What is that modification? We have to remember each level sum. That is, how much sum did each of this level have? For example, the sum of level 2 is equal to 7. But how do we remember this? The key idea here is, we'll go to the first level and we will be adding 2, right? So we'll remember what is the size of the queue at the beginning of the array. For example, if we start in this level, there will be only one element in the queue. Let's add 1 first. How many elements are there in the queue? There are 1 element. So we will just be removing this. Next we will be adding 7 and 0, right? Once we remove. But instead of just removing 7 from here, what do? We create a for loop and till the size of the queue. What is the size of the queue now? Our size of the second level, it is equal to 2. So for I is equal to 0 to levels size, what we will be doing is, we will remove all the elements. We will remove both 7 and 0 and we will increase our sum and also add their children. 7 and 0 will be removing and we will be adding 6, minus 8, 1 and 2. All together, and also we will keep track of the sum, that is equal to 7. And again we know the next level size, that is the queue size is 4. So what do? We go over the queue size and we remove all the elements and we will keep track of its sum. It is as simple as this. What do? We go to our grandpa and ask him, how many children do you have? He has 2 children. So in the next level we go through all the children at once. Then again we know that in the next level we have 4 children. So we ask all the 4 children what is their value, and then we want which level had the highest value. So let's dive into the code. What we will be doing first here is, we will be creating a queue. That is, we will be creating the queue and we will add the root. In this example it was 1 and we will have the max sum, that is equal to the first level sum, and it will be our answer also, and the answer will be 1 also. Why? Because even if there is one node, the answer will be 1. What do? First we remove this. Even before removing this, we will get the level size, that is equal to 1, that is equal to queue size. This is where we get the level size, and for all the elements in the queue we will remove it and we will add its children. For example, 7, 0. Then again we will be removing consecutively, that is the level size will be equal to 2 in the next case, and we will iterate over both the elements and remove both the elements and add all the next elements from the next level. So that is what we will be doing. And remember, here we have to get the level size from the queue size and we have to store it. You cannot just make queue dot size here. Why? Because the queue size will be updated at every step. So finally, after doing all this, we will be returning our answer. And here there is one more logic. That is, if the level sum is greater than the maximum sum, we'll be changing both our maximum sum and answer to this current level. What will be the time complexity of particular this thing? So every node will just be visited once, hence the time complexity will be the order of n. And what will be the space complexity? Again, space complexity will be order of n. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.